Yeah, this is my good friend, Raif, you know, just jumping shit. This is the Dr. Evo. I don't know if you know that guy. This guy right here, that's Dr. Evo. Yo! You guys want some cookie? Look at this. They got lights in here? Nope. Hey, your light doesn't work. I know a guy. You fucking kidding me? That really doesn't work? Oh, look at that. Hey. We gotta hang these up for Raif today, by the way. These are some badass pictures. Everybody signed it at our Christmas party. If you look, these are all the guys. They all signed it. Pretty cool. Hey, look at all those. Last year's, this is this year's. That guy, he's got his pants nice and fresh that day. Nobody in this place. Where is this guy? Look at that guy. That guy's fast. Look at that guy's got a skateboard. Dude, no way. This guy's got a skateboard. Let's see if I can fucking skateboard. See if I can ollie this thing. Oh my God, almost just snapped it. Let's put that back before I get yelled at. So this is his engine, transmission, T-case assembly room. Fucking nice. Obviously, all the PPG trainees that we run are sitting here waiting. These are all customer stuff. This is the quality that he does. I mean, he's the best there is. Ironically enough, there's some Wild Evo collectible cards and some Joe Bucci stickers. Looks like another motor that's about to get some cross hatching in here. Some rear ends, sandblasting, ultrasonic cleaner, does injector cleaning. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is pretty much like the Evo capital of the world. Look at all these billet blocks ready to go. What else has he got going on in here? More shit, more trainees waiting to get built, more blocks. Looks like an Evo 10 block, a bunch of heads ready to go, cylinder heads. What does that say? Loaded, ready to fuck. So that's ready to go. What are you guys working on today? Evo 10?
Yeah.
What are you doing to it? Timing chain, cams? Valves, nice. So pretty much like a cylinder head setup?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Looks like there's some motors over here, already ready to rip. This looks like a motor they just put together. Looks going in a customer's car. This, I bet, is a billet. Nope, that's a cast. A couple of motors ready to be installed, sort of. Let's see what else we got. Look at this thing. This is Raif's Evo 10, his drag Evo 10. I think it's pretty close to hitting the track. It's on a Motec, all used parts, pretty much budget build. Everything that like left over from his drag Evo, whatever I gave to him from my drag Evo, just scavenge it all together. This car's gonna go low sevens. Maybe not low sevens, maybe like a high six. See what else we got going on in here. Main shop, employees only. Oh shit, dude, the Wild Evo's in here. Yo, Raif, just did a walkthrough of your whole shop, dude, and I just helped you out, dog.
Did you ask permission to do that?
I don't have to ask permission.
That's top secret stuff in there,
I'm a shareholder, bro. I'm a shareholder. Oh, shit.
Shareholder, man. I've never seen you with that hat. I just see the
Ow, ow. Why do you be so angry, man?
Yeah, you're a wild man.
Wild man. You wrote that on there.
Wild man.
You wrote that on there like 4 years ago.
Oh, I did. That's not my handwriting.
I didn't write that. Somebody wrote
else would
Wild
write that?
Man. Who calls me Wild Man?
Besides you.
Besides you.
Maybe.